In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize images in Luminar 4 for social media and email. If you've ever had a photo upload too slowly, look soft after posting, or fail to send by email, it's usually a sizing issue. The good news is that Luminar 4 makes it simple to get the right dimensions, the right color, and a balanced file size without guesswork. Start by finishing your edits before you export. Do all your exposure, color, and cropping in Luminar 4 first. Resizing should be the very last step because it bakes in everything you see on screen. If you need to change composition or fix color later, it's much better to do that at full resolution and then resize once at the end. When you're ready, click the Export button at the top of the Luminar 4 window or go to File, then Export. This opens the Export window, where you'll set format, resize options, color space, and quality. Think of this as the control center for preparing your image for the web or email. For sizing, choose Resize, then pick either long side or short side. Long side sets the maximum length of the longer edge of your photo. Short side sets the shorter edge. Your aspect ratio stays intact, so the image won't stretch. Enter a pixel value that fits your destination. A great starting point for social posts, including Instagram feed images, is 1080 pixels on the long side. For email, aim for 800 pixels or smaller to keep attachments lightweight and quick to send. This reduces the final pixel dimensions and dramatically lowers file size, which speeds up uploads and helps avoid email bounce limits. If your original file is smaller than the value you enter, avoid upscaling. It won't add detail and may make the image look soft. Next, choose the right format and color. Select JPEG for most social media and email because it offers small files with broad compatibility. Set the color space to sRGB so colors look correct across browsers and mobile devices. For quality, a setting around 80 to 90% usually delivers a clean image with a much smaller file size than 100%. If you see banding and gradients or heavy compression artifacts, nudge the quality up slightly. When everything looks good, confirm your destination, give the file a clear name, and click Export. Keep your original high-resolution edit saved separately so you can create different sizes later without redoing your work. That's it. Fast, clean, and ready to share.